Today I'm going to show you a video about skin system. Skin is our upper layer of our body. It protects our organs. This is the model of skin. The top one is epidermis, the middle one is dermis, and then hypodermis. So epidermis works as a barrier and keratin. It has keratin. It provides barrier and protection. It contains mainly of the protein. Keratin, a tough and waterproof, insoluble protein that protects our body. So um, we can take shower, and sometimes we spill coffee, sometimes we go in the rain, so water does not go in our skin, in our body. Then the second part is dermis. It is make of bulk of skin. It provides and support and the flexibility of our skin. It is contain mainly of collagen and a larger extent elastin fibers. Loss of elastin, such as with aging, causes skin to slack. The boundary surface between epidermis and dermis is not flat but wavy. This one is the wavy one. Meaning to the two tissues interlock, strengthening their connection with age. This boundary flattens and the skin boundary and becomes more fragile as our age grows. So this boundary becomes flatten. Uh, the dermis is well vascularized and contain sensory nerves, hair follicles. See, this is hair growing from the dermis, and sebacous glands and sweat glands too. So I was talking about dermis. It has two zones: upper papillary dermis, while loose connective tissues, and the lower reticular dermis with denser connective tissues. The dermis houses immune cells and allows inflammatory responses to activate upon exposure to invading organisms. So this one work as a protection to our skin. Then we come to hypothermus. Hypothermus is composed of loose connection and a deposed tissues. This is where most of the body fat is stored. I show this thing like body fats. The hypothermus provides thermal insulation, padding, and serves as the body main energy storage. So I was talking about hypothermus again. I told you that it works as energy storage. Then the thickness and proportion of the epidermis and dermis vary greatly depending on their location of the location on the body, but the skin is classified as thick or thin based on the thickness of the epidermis alone. Skin is found only in areas where there is a lot of abrasion, like palms, soles, digits, and on these areas. Now I'm going to tell you there are 5 epidermis layers. The skin is everywhere else and has 4 epidermal layers. Most cells of the epidermis are keratin producing cells or keratinocytes. New cells are constantly produced by mitotic cell division in the basal layer. This is the basal layer, and then they move towards the skin surface as the age and differentiate changes